All right, we're at chapter 12. If you've completed this, you have completed this class, and I know that it has been a difficult class, but I hope these videos have helped you. The first thing it asks you to do here is to incorporate a theme. So I've already applied the droplet theme, and then it tells us to go with the yellow-orange colors and set the home inventory list to cell type, title. The next thing it asks us to do is record a macro named sort. Now I've already done this, and I've set the button. All you have to do is select developer and record macro, select the date purchased cells, and select sort and filter, and then assign it to the button. To do the button, you go to developer and insert and select a button. So if we want to look at that, we go Alt and F11 to go to our VBA and see if we can find our sort macro. Let's see. There's depreciation value. I don't see the sort macro. It's in here somewhere. But anyway, you just record it and do what you were normally going to do, and then Excel will actually automatically then sort for you. Now we're supposed to insert a macro for a function. We were asked to add the depreciation rate and the depreciation amount that are going to be cells D12 and D13. So if we go to macros, there's our sort macro. Let's edit it and look at it right quick. We identified our range, which is the date purchased, and we selected it. Then we went to the home contents in the data and said sort fields and clear. Then we sorted the values in descending order. Then it sorted according to all of these orientations automatically and apply. So when you sorted that, all of this text and all of this code was written. So now we need to go back to our modules, and we'll find our function for depreciation. To do the function, you type in the word function. The name of the function is depreciation, and the arguments are value and rate. So what are we going to do with that? Well, our depreciation is going to become equal to value times rate. And that's our function. So then, after we've inserted depreciation rate and depreciation in cell B13, we're going to use the function in cell D13, and we just start typing in the name of the function, and there's our function that we've already put in. Value is first, and that's going to be the total estimated value on all items that comes from del D13. And depreciation rate is going to be found in cell D12. So we said depreciation is the value, which is in cell D14, times the depreciation rate, which will be found in cell D12. And there we have our function. Now we're to clear the contents on the range B17 to K19. B17 to K19. Create a new worksheet named Cost to the right of the Home Contents Inventory list. We're going to call it Cost. Open the I'm sorry, it says Code. I couldn't read my instructions. Now we're going to open the VBA editor, Alt F11, copy our function and put it on the code worksheet. We'll do the same thing with our sort macro. That's because you can't upload a macro-enabled worksheet to your e-course. So in order for the gradebook to see your macros, you need to paste it on this code sheet. Now all you have to do is save the file and close the VBA editor and you'll be done. I've certainly enjoyed having you in this class. I know that we've been through some struggles together, but I think that you've come out on top and lots of you have excellent averages. So take good care.